Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA Vlookup function in Excel 2013. We're going to pull out data comparing two sets of values. So I'm going to compare the draw number in column M to the draw number in column A, and I'm going to pull out the related machine names in column N from machine names in column B. So first thing to do is turn your spreadsheets that you're going to compare into tables. To do that, you go to the Home tab, to the Style section, and then click on the drop down for Format as Table. Select any table style you want, click on OK, then go to your other worksheet. In this case, I'm doing the VLOOKUP with two sets of data in the same worksheet to make it easier to view. So do the same for your other worksheet. Go to the Home tab and the Style section, and then Format as Table, and then select OK. So now you've got both sets of data formatted as Excel tables. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. I'm going to insert a module. I'm going to call this sub. I'm going to call this a VLOOKUP underscore FX function. And then I'm going to start by saying active cell dot formula array equals, that's what I'm entering to insert my formula, my VLOOKUP formula. Then I start by, because it's an array, I'm going to start with a quote, and then equals, and then VLOOKUP, brackets, and then let's see, let's actually give out, if I just close this, let's give our VLOOKUP a range name. So if I select the range I'm going to match to and pull out data from, and call that V1 or VLOOKUP range, actually, yep, and go back to that cell there and go back to my VLOOKUP Visual Basic statement, start again, sub VLOOKUP underscore function or FX. We'll say active cell dot formula array equals the space quote equals VLOOKUP. What cell am I in? I believe it's in M2. Yes, that's correct. So if I go back to VLOOKUP, so you start with the cell you want to pull, you want to match data to, which is M2, cell range M2. Then you enter your range name or your range. Well, I've given my range a range name of VLOOKUP range. Then a comma, and then I'm going to pull out data from the second column, which is column B, and then comma, and then I'm going to say 0 because I want an exact match. I want to end it with a quote. Press enter. Now I'm going to press F8 to debug this to see if it's fine. That seems to run okay, so I'm going to close that and go to my column there in column N, and you can see it's run okay. The VLOOKUPs worked. So if I highlight that and delete it and run it in the spreadsheet, you can see what I mean. So if I press macros button and click on run, you can see in column N it's matched draw number 1864 to Guinevere, draw number 1865 to Lancelot, and so on. So that's basically the VLOOKUP function using Excel VBA in Excel 2013.